Keep going. Come home. Come home. On the road. Woo. Don't stop, baby. Woo. Big turn. Go, Evie.
Keep those little legs moving. Keep them moving. Steer. Keep them moving. Keep them moving. Steer. Steer.
Yay.
I'm learning to do things like swing and riding real bikes.
I know, you're a big girl.
Ryan!
Yay!
Ryan! Ryan!
Stay away from the grass.
Dad pushed me in this tree by ground, right?
Yeah, for a second. Good job, Evie. Oops. Come here without going in the grass.
Ryan! I can't believe I did it. I can't believe Brian.
I know you're both doing it. That's amazing.
Yeah, I've gotten better, Mommy.
Keep it going.
Very much so. You were good to begin with.
You know what's crazy? I got a little overwhelmed when I first tried my razor scooter.
It's Yay, Brian.